What's up, everybody? Grandmaster Gaddings here with Master Gaddings Jr. And today we're going to focus on the number one double wrist escape. So the number one double wrist escape. So he grabs my wrist, one each, and I'm going to step forward for this one, and I'm going to punch down towards the floor. And just simply open my hands and then pull out. So just like the same side wrist escape where we punched, opened, and then lifted, it's the exact same thing, except for he has both wrists this time, but it still works just the same. As long as I'm stepping forward, and then I punch down, and then open, notice how my wrist expands when I open. And that's what starts to loosen his grip a little bit, and then I just rip and pull right out. Stepping forward, punch, open, and pull the arms out. Once again, step forward and punch the floor, open, and then pull the hands out, thumbs up towards the ceiling. Punch, open, pull. And this is the number one double wrist escape.